Let's start the GLAM makeup tutorial. Use a slightly flat brush from Innisfree to apply this medium brown color eyeshadow from your Sephora Pro Pigment palette. Fill the entire lid. With the blending brush from Misha, blend out the color up to your brow bone. Apply the darkest eyeshadow onto the outer corner of your eyes in circular motion. Make sure to blend it out well. To create the subtle eyeliner, use a Pro Smudge brush number 11 from Sephora with your black eyeshadow. Start by tracing your lash line. We will move on to the foundation before we apply makeup on your lower lid. Today I'm using the Chanel Ultra Foundation. To cover my dark circles and add some highlights, I'm using the Creaseless Concealer by Tarth. I'm using the beauty sponge to properly even out the concealer. To contour, today I'm going to use a Perricone MD No Bronzer to create the discreet contour that looks more like a tan rather than a sharp contour. To blend it out, I'm going to use the foundation brush from Innisfree. This is one of my most favorite brushes to date. To keep all the cream products in place, I use a Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Definitely one of my holy grail makeup products. Now let's do the makeup for the bottom lid. Using the contour eyeshadow brush from Innisfree, apply the same medium brown color onto your lower lid. With the same Pro Smudge brush, trace your lower lash with a black eyeshadow. To brighten up your eyes, use a flashy white liner from Sephora onto your waterline. Then softly apply the Mercier highlighter onto the inner corner of your eyes. Use the same brush to highlight the bridge and the tip of your nose. For a more defined eyeliner, I use the Tattoo Liquid Eyeliner from KVD Vegan Beauty. Another personal favorite and holy grail brow pencil. It's the Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil from Benefit. I start by tracing the shape of my brows and then filling it in. Then I use the other tip to brush the inner part of my brow. For the cheeks, I use a blush bar from Benefit. I use Hoola to add more contour, then I mix Gold Rush and Rock Couture for the blush. Again, this is my holy grail highlighter, the Mercier Highlight 01. It creates the perfect smooth highlight that is subtle but visible. Another holy grail, All-Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. It keeps your makeup intact the whole day. Let's finish the eye makeup with a Bad Cow Bang Mascara by Benefit. For the lips, I use a Cheverlooo Matte Liquid Lipstick from Vice. Hey, it's a Filipino brand. Now you're all set for a glam night or a glam party. Hope you learned something today. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.